Very well guys, I'm going to rebuild the emmc IC and it is completely clean and everything is ready to rebuild the emmc IC. To start we need the sharpener like this, and as I told before, this IC is comfortable for this emmc. To know exactly which IC is good for this sharpener, I should say you three type of ICs are using too much than the other, more than other ICs, and they are these three, this one, and this type. If you Google the BGA, you can exactly know what kind of BGA IC you need, and you should know exactly which IC is comfortable and which sharpener you need to use. This is the type of the ICs BGA 153 and 69. It is the thing that we have. The next is BGA 162, 186, and this one. And the last one is BGA 221, this. Very well. To find exactly, after finding the place of the BGA IC, we need some aluminum tape like this. We need to take part of and slice off this aluminum paper like this, and this size is good enough. Very well. Remove the back side of the aluminum tape, and it is good enough to put into the desk or any other place that you want to use the soldering. This position for this tape is good enough to start reball, and now we tape it on the desk or any other place. Usually I check that some guys using tissue for downside of or backside of the tape, but I'm using this solution and put the IC exactly here and push it to fix. Very good. So before starting, I highly recommend it to use the flux liquid like this. It is not too expensive, and you can use other type of the flux. It's a pen flux. And let the IC to rest for 5-10 minutes to dry, to keep the dry flux, and going for the next level. Good. If you have microscope, it's very well and it's very easy to do this. You can exactly match the holes and pins and check it for the else monitor and fix it on the taped paper. But I am using now this kind of magnifier for the fix it, and it's very simple to use this. Just it's need to push the sharpener to the tape like this, but we should check exactly the pins should be 100% adjust to the pins, and this alignment is necessary to exactly reball. And if the pins and the holes both goes in same direction, the reball is very easy and doing very fast and no need to retry. So the thing is that we should know the pins and the holes should be exactly matched to each other. Okay, to visit the IC better, I change the place from the table to this metal box and put the IC inside to the aluminum tape again, and I'm going to check it with microscope. Very well. I will try to find to align exactly the holes and the pins for the IC with microscope. You can see that I have it in my LCD and I'm trying to fix the sharpen holes with the IC pin to match to each other. You can see that here is one extra pin. Is it completely different with the other pin? This is pin number 1, and the pin number 1 should be fixed with the sharpen the extra pin. I will do this and will show you exactly how to do this. Very good. You can see that the pins are completely matched with the sharpen, and it is time to put the solder plugs and start revolving. Okay, when the pins are matched with the sharpen heads, gently please return the box in backside of the sharpen and try to take out the sharpen gently and fix the tape and fix it and try to next level. Very good. Turn over, turn back the sharpen and try to fix the tape backside of the sharpen and try to exactly push the tape and fix corners and all side of the emmc all over the project. Very good. It is ready for the solder flux or solder flux. I'm not sure what I can call this. Let me bring this one. It's mechanic solder paste. Oh, I remember. It's a solder paste. We have two kind of solder paste. One is like this, and the other one, I'll show you exactly. This one is very good, and then the other type of solder paste is like this. To start this is much better if you have one dump cover like this to use it as your finger. The finger cover will help you exactly to match the solder paste with sharpen to fix exactly the soldering paste or soldering flux. Okay, the finger conduit is done, and as we fix it, I'm going to use the solder paste. This is the most important part of the reball. You should take good enough solder paste. If you use it more than normal size or budget, you make problem for the project, and like this it should be good enough. Maximum this size. And with the cover, finger cover or finger contact, try to push it and cover all the holes around the sharpener very well. Finish. Very well. Take a business card and gently clean exactly the place around the IC. It is completely clean and we have fresh. And one more time, we need to check all holes should be covered with solder paste like this. Here is the back side. Here is the emmc side and is ready for hot air gun and rebuild this. I decide to one more time check exactly the holes and be sure that all holes are covered with the solder paste. It seems that everything is good. Now the hot air gun is ready to start soldering with this. It's much better to put one tissue backside of this schablon, but as you may know from my last previous video, this is my portable hot air gun and I'm in trip. As I told, we need to wait for 170 degrees centigrade degree. It's good enough for this. Yeah, very well. It's ready to use it with the schablon. Try to keep the hot air gun 3 centimeters upper than project and turn over the schablon till the solder paste going to be liquid. Take a look, it's good enough. Now it's time to turn off and take back the solder gun. As always, a little bit thinner or a little bit alcohol. I have the isopropanol. Yeah, it's good enough for this. That's it. It's finished really, and it is revolved and is ready for put back to the cell phone, and it needs to clean a little bit. I will take out the tape gently. Wow, it looks great. All pins are reballed successfully. I will take the microscope and we'll check exactly with LCD to show you by hand. I make the reball successfully. Yeah, very well. All reball is done. Very good. After this level, we need to clean the IC as well as the first time that we take it off from the mobile. I will back to my hanging IC system like this. Usually you can do this level by alcohol or with thinner. I'm using this gel hand. It's alcoholic gel hand, and is a Iranian version, but is very well to put a little bit on this IC. I'm going to clean exactly all place around the IC. Guys, have a look. Really is nice. It is the same as company reball when the first time coming the IC. Very good. I will put a little bit pen flux to the IC and let it to be wet in 5-10 minutes, and going to solder project to the phone. Very good. I will take back the mainboard. It is time to clean the old IC welded or soldered pins here by the weak paper, like the time that we make the old solder paste from the IC with the wick wire or the wick good wick tape. We are going to clean exactly the place of the IC that we are going to rehot the IC. Again, tissue and cleaning the place that we are going to solder. Don't forget to use the electrostatic, anti-static anti-static care wire to the ground to take care when you're touching the mobile phone mainboard from the static electricity. And I'm fixing the mainboard. For this level, I'm using this flux. This 803603 is made in the US, and it is a big size. Is worked for me like a year. And for this level, is very good if you use this flux to clean exactly the place and the old pin of the memory IC inside the mainboard. I'm doing this, pushing the flux, and by finger condom or finger cover will exactly push it and pull it to the old place. Very well. Again, I am going this gently. Very good, and it is ready. Again, we'll check with the finger condom, and it is ready to solder the IC. Very well. It seems that it is good enough for soldering. I'm turning on my portable hot gun here. The same flux as before, a little bit, not too much. Take care of this level, and a little bit for all areas inside the place. Very good. So you can see that here we have dimension, we have lines here at the corner, at the upside and downside of the main board, and again we should take care polarity of the IC. Take care for that the pin I said you, the number 1 pin should be exactly match with the place that we are going to solder for the main board. Again, the tweezer, I'm using my plastic head tweezers to fit the IC to the lines and carry the dimensions. The alignment adjustment is a little bit hard, but not impossible. I'm working on DNA, and this noise are for the centrifuge that I'm working on. Yeah, it is ready. Okay, it seems that everything is set it up, and I'm going to start hot air gun with this. Just turning around and take care for the changing place of the IC. Like this. If you want it, you can fix it again. Very good. When it is fixed, the IC will not run it again. Around 2.5 minutes is enough to turn off the hot gun air. Thanks for watching. I'm going to turn it on for next video, and we'll turn it on and check again. To be cold faster, I will do the isopropanol again, but gently, and start from far as the mainboard, and it is ready to turn it on. Thanks for watching this video, and we are going to the next level.